In today's video, I am going to teach you how to migrate Wix to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is where you will manage the import on the Shopify side, so make sure you are inside the correct store before moving forward. Once you are on the dashboard, open the Shopify App Store and search for Matrixify. This app is commonly used to move store data in a structured way, and it can help make the migration process much smoother. When you find it, click Install and allow the app to be added to your Shopify store. After that, open your Wix dashboard in a separate tab. Keeping both platforms open at the same time makes the process easier because you can move back and forth without losing your place. Inside Wix, go to your store product area. From there, open Products, then choose the Export option. This will let you download your product data as a CSV file. The CSV file is important because it contains the product information that you will bring into Shopify. Once the file has finished downloading, go back to Shopify and open Matrixify. Inside the app, upload the CSV file you exported from Wix. At this stage, Matrixify will read the file and prepare it for import. Take a moment to review the uploaded data carefully so you can confirm the file was added correctly. Next, map the data columns. This means you will match the information from the Wix export, such as product details and related fields, to the correct fields in Shopify. This step is important because proper mapping helps your products appear correctly after the migration. If a column is matched incorrectly, some information may end up in the wrong place, so it is worth checking each section carefully before continuing. When everything looks correct, click Import to start transferring your store data into Shopify. Depending on how many products you have, this may take a little time. Once the import is complete, review your Shopify store to confirm that the products came over as expected. It is always a good idea to verify that your product information looks accurate after the transfer finishes. That covers everything you need to know.